this is how you install the M-LOK exterior forend weights. Again, these are M-LOK compatible, so they will work on any of our chassis that have an M-LOK forend as well as other manufacturers. And we've also included a QD mount on each one of these weights as well, so you can use it to attach a QD sling or a QD accessory to the front of your rifle. So these weights are sold as a pair with all their hardware. If you were to install just the pair, that's 0.75 of a pound. If you install all 5 pairs of weights to your ACC system, you're going to have just under 4 pounds on the forend. All right, so to install the exterior M-LOK weight, like any other M-LOK accessory, is line up the 2 M-LOK T-nuts so that they're sitting horizontal. And you've got the 2 bosses on the back here, which will then line up with some of the slots on the side of your forend. You drop that on the side, and then just with your tool, turn the screws so that the T-nut can rotate and lock itself in place. All right, so now that's snugged and in place. We'll just throw the other one on this side. Your chassis will be 3/4 pound heavier. So because these forend weights are M-LOK, you can attach them to any accessory or any chassis that has M-LOK slots on it. So you can put them anywhere along the side of this forend on either side. You can put them on your buttstock, you can put them on a night vision hood, you can put them on anything that has an M-LOK slot on it.